it's time to do another showcase. This one is a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas, and we're going to get up close. I've brought it outside where you can see all this gorgeous metallic paint. I'm not absolutely positive what I'm going to title this one. This one is very different than any that I've done previously because of it is got a lot of bright colors in it. So it is soft and lacy. So those words might be in the title as well as gold might be in the title. This one will not be listed in my Etsy shop because I will be taking it to the 2-day juried event I'll be doing this coming weekend. If it is still available after the event, it will be added to my Etsy shop. If you would like to purchase this prior to the live event, you can do so by contacting me at my email address that will be provided for you in the description of this video. I hope to see you guys again soon. For now, I'm going to bid you farewell and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.